you have to love your country. Do it for the love of country. Do not do it for me. I do not need it. Trabaho tayong lahat. Sabi ko, ako, trabahante lang ako. Kaya yung mga ano ko, I have my simple ones. Hindi ko nga alam bakit ako na dumating dito sa presidency. But I told this story doon sa command conference. How I came about to be here with you tonight. Ito lang ang masabi ko. Do your duty. If you are ordered for an operation against Shabu, tagkasabit-sabit kayo, huwag kayo. I will be there in the fulfillment of duty or in the performance of your task, mandate. You will have my support 100%. I will not allow you to go to jail. Ako ang mauna. Sa akin yan lahat. Kung lahat ng ina-execute ninyo, utos ko, akin yan. Mine and mine alone. Ako yan. Basta yung trabaho natin. So, huwag kayong matakot. And you might be charged. I take solace from my statement. I am there for you. So, hindi na lang ako magtagal. I have to go to the wounded soldiers. Na mag-ikot ako, I will look for money. At kayo, pagka nakaproblema, alam mo na yung the imponderables of life, yung hindi mo nakita. Asawa, kapatid, may cancer, gano'n. Huwag na kayong pumunta ng malayo. Just go to your commanding officer. And he will call me. And I will look for ways to help you. Huwag na kayo pumasok dyan sa kung ano-ano pa ang makautang. Pagka medyo mabigat, alam, marami yan, ha? Patay, tuition, o whatever. Dami niyang cancer, maghirap kayo. Palamin mo lang ako. Huwag kayong basta inutusan kayo to do a civilian mandate, for example, drugs. Go ahead. Hindi na ako magtanong kung paano mo ginawa. Basta ako, pag nakasabit kayo sa trabaho, mandated by law, batas, hindi naman natin yan, you will have my protection. And I said, isa lang tayo. Do not be too extra courteous to me or respectful. Kasi naiilang ako. Anak lang rin ako ng migrant dito sa Mindanao. Nung umalis kami ng Cebu, well, of course, my mother is my pero ang tatay ko, mahirap lang kami. So I know how it is to be poor and to work for your life for the government. Dumating ako sa edad na ito, I think it's destiny naging presidente ako. They want to assure everybody in this republic, layo ng tayong taga-goberno, that you have a president who would share with you yung mga problema and of course, the little blessings that we get from God and from the people of the Republic of the Philippines. Salamat po.